Hey creators, today we're diving into the top 5 best laptops for content creators in 2024. Whether you're into video editing, graphic design, or anything in between, these laptops are the perfect tools to elevate your creative game. Let's get started. Number 1. MacBook Pro 16-inch. M3 Max. The MacBook Pro 16-inch with the M3 Max chip is the ultimate laptop for content creators. This powerhouse is designed to handle the most demanding tasks, from 8K video editing to 3D rendering. The M3 Max chip ensures lightning-fast performance, while the 16-inch Retina display with ProMotion technology offers stunning color accuracy and smooth visuals. It's perfect for professionals who demand the best. If you're serious about your craft, the MacBook Pro 16-inch is a must-have. It's a premium investment, but the productivity boost it offers makes it worth every penny. Number 2. Microsoft Surface Laptop 5. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 5 is a sleek and portable option for creators who need versatility on the go. With Intel's 12th gen processors, it handles multitasking, graphic design, and light video editing effortlessly. The high-resolution PixelSense touchscreen adds a layer of precision, perfect for creative work. Its lightweight design and excellent battery life make it ideal for creators who are always moving. If you need a laptop that combines style, portability, and performance, the Surface Laptop 5 is an excellent choice. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra is a stunning laptop that blends performance with aesthetics. Powered by Intel i7 or i9 processors, this laptop is built for demanding tasks like photo and video editing. The AMOLED display delivers vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making your content stand out. It also integrates seamlessly with other Samsung devices, creating a smooth workflow if you're already in the Samsung ecosystem. For a stylish and powerful laptop that complements your creative lifestyle, the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra is a top contender. Number 4. Acer Swift Go 14. The Acer Swift Go 14 offers exceptional value for content creators on a budget. With AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, it provides strong performance for tasks like photo editing and graphic design. The 14-inch Full HD display is bright and color accurate, making it a reliable tool for visual work. Its lightweight design and long battery life make it an excellent choice for creators who are frequently on the move. If you're looking for a budget-friendly laptop that doesn't skimp on performance, the Acer Swift Go 14 is a fantastic option. Number 5. Acer Nitro V Gaming Laptop. The Acer Nitro V gaming laptop might be designed for gamers, but its powerful specs make it a great choice for content creators as well. With an Intel i7 processor and an NVIDIA RTX 4050 GPU, it can easily handle video editing, graphic design, and other creative tasks. The 15.6-inch display with a 144 Hz refresh rate offers smooth visuals, perfect for both work and play. If you want a laptop that can double as a gaming rig, offering powerful performance for all your needs, the Acer Nitro V is a versatile and affordable choice.